初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Do you have any rooms for rent?
Do you have any rooms for rent?
你们有房间出租吗？
Do you have any rooms for rent?
Do you have any rooms for rent?
Yes, we have a one-bedroom.
Yes, we have a one-bedroom.
是的，我们有一间一居室。
Yes, we have a one-bedroom.
Yes, we have a one-bedroom.
How much is the monthly rent?
How much is the monthly rent?
月租金是多少？
How much is the monthly rent?
How much is the monthly rent?
It's $800 per month.
It's $800 per month.
每月800美元。
It's $800 per month.
It's $800 per month.
Is water included in the rent?
Is water included in the rent?
水费包含在租金里吗？
Is water included in the rent?
Is water included in the rent?
Yes, water and gas are included.
Yes, water and gas are included.
是的，水费和燃气费都包含在内。
Yes, water and gas are included.
Yes, water and gas are included.
How long is the lease?
How long is the lease?
租期是多久？
How long is the lease?
How long is the lease?
The lease is for 1 year.
The lease is for 1 year.
租期是1年。
The lease is for 1 year.
The lease is for 1 year.
Can I see the apartment today?
Can I see the apartment today?
我今天可以看房吗？
Can I see the apartment today?
Can I see the apartment today?
Sure, come at 3 p.m.
Sure, come at 3 p.m.
当然可以，下午3点来。
Sure, come at 3 p.m.
Sure, come at 3 p.m.
Is the apartment furnished?
Is the apartment furnished?
公寓带家具吗？
Is the apartment furnished?
Is the apartment furnished?
Yes, it has basic furniture.
Yes, it has basic furniture.
是的，有基本家具。
Yes, it has basic furniture.
Yes, it has basic furniture.
How big is the living room?
How big is the living room?
客厅有多大？
How big is the living room?
How big is the living room?
It's about 20 square meters.
It's about 20 square meters.
大约20平方米。
It's about 20 square meters.
It's about 20 square meters.
Is the kitchen fully equipped?
Is the kitchen fully equipped?
厨房设备齐全吗？
Is the kitchen fully equipped?
Is the kitchen fully equipped?
Yes, it has a stove and fridge.
Yes, it has a stove and fridge.
是的，有炉子和冰箱。
Yes, it has a stove and fridge.
Yes, it has a stove and fridge.
Is there a washing machine?
Is there a washing machine?
有洗衣机吗？
Is there a washing machine?
Is there a washing machine?
No, but there's a laundry room.
No, but there's a laundry room.
没有， 但有洗衣房。
No, but there's a laundry room.
No, but there's a laundry room.
Can I bring my pet here?
Can I bring my pet here?
我可以带宠物吗？
Can I bring my pet here?
Can I bring my pet here?
Sorry, pets are not allowed.
Sorry, pets are not allowed.
抱歉，不允许养宠物。
Sorry, pets are not allowed.
Sorry, pets are not allowed.
What documents do you need?
What documents do you need?
需要什么文件？
What documents do you need?
What documents do you need?
Just your ID and passport.
Just your ID and passport.
只需要你的身份证和护照。
Just your ID and passport.
Just your ID and passport.
How much is the deposit?
How much is the deposit?
押金是多少？
How much is the deposit?
How much is the deposit?
2 months' rent as deposit.
2 months' rent as deposit.
押金是2个月租金。
2 months' rent as deposit.
2 months' rent as deposit.
Can I pay by bank transfer?
Can I pay by bank transfer?
可以通过银行转账支付吗？
Can I pay by bank transfer?
Can I pay by bank transfer?
Yes, that's acceptable.
Yes, that's acceptable.
是的，可以接受。
Yes, that's acceptable.
Yes, that's acceptable.
When can I move in?
When can I move in?
我什么时候可以搬进来？
When can I move in?
When can I move in?
You can move in next week.
You can move in next week.
你可以下周搬进来。
You can move in next week.
You can move in next week.
Can I have a copy of the contract?
Can I have a copy of the contract?
可以给我一份合同副本吗？
Can I have a copy of the contract?
Can I have a copy of the contract?
Yes, I will email it to you.
Yes, I will email it to you.
是的，我会发邮件给你。
Yes, I will email it to you.
Yes, I will email it to you.
The heater is not working.
The heater is not working.
暖气坏了。
The heater is not working.
The heater is not working.
I'll send someone to fix it.
I'll send someone to fix it.
我会派人来修。
I'll send someone to fix it.
I'll send someone to fix it.
There's a leak in the bathroom.
There's a leak in the bathroom.
浴室漏水了。
There's a leak in the bathroom.
There's a leak in the bathroom.
A plumber will come tomorrow.
A plumber will come tomorrow.
水管工明天会来。
A plumber will come tomorrow.
A plumber will come tomorrow.
The light bulb is broken.
The light bulb is broken.
灯泡坏了。
The light bulb is broken.
The light bulb is broken.
You can change it yourself.
You can change it yourself.
你可以自己换。
You can change it yourself.
You can change it yourself.
Can you fix the air conditioner?
Can you fix the air conditioner?
你能修空调吗？
Can you fix the air conditioner?
Can you fix the air conditioner?
Yes, I'll call the technician.
Yes, I'll call the technician.
是的，我会叫技术员来。
Yes, I'll call the technician.
Yes, I'll call the technician.
The internet is very slow.
The internet is very slow.
网速很慢。
The internet is very slow.
The internet is very slow.
I'll check with the provider.
I'll check with the provider.
我会联系服务提供商。
I'll check with the provider.
I'll check with the provider.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。